Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the raw settings on the Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu and here select Preferences. Now go to Network and scroll down to TCP and IP settings. Go to raw settings, and here you guys can disable it or enable it depending on your preference, and also change the timeout from, let's say, 5 minutes to 50. Now you just need to apply, and those settings will be effective after the main power is turned off and on. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.